Here you may have the industrial classification, that you may have small industry, you may have medium scale industry, you may have big industry, you may have building type industry. So these are the three classes major we are having. So small industries, what we have? Small industries uh, include small machines, equipments, parts required for big machinery, repairing, fishing, job providing. Based on the big industry, you may have allied industry, which is supplying job needed for the main industry. Uh, that is what supplying parts on the order basis to the big industries. Some industries are building type industries. So in cities, you are having medium or small workshops provided. Some in a building, you may have small power requirement of this industry, 3-phase and up to 30 kilowatt. Less investments, less number of technicians required, less number of laborers, less number of supervisors, mechanical engineers and all this. So you are having small industry, especially lower power consumption up to 30 kilowatt. Medium industries, they are having especially medium production. Machines are of medium size. They are producing sellable products on medium scale or mass scale. They may continuously working 24 hours in shift or maybe single shift also. Medium scale industries, you may have building, you may have different sections, you may have shops, you may have correct lathes, you may have automated machines, you may have technicians 30 to 40, supervisor 2 to 4, laborers 20, engineers 10. Roughly, these figures are roughly. Power requirement up to 2 megawatt. You may have 1 minute. कशाला जॉइन होतो. You may have power up to 1 to 2 megawatt. Medium investments. They may have location outside city. Small industries may have location in city. Maybe MIDCs or especially reserved. What we can say, the industrial areas. These industries may have controlled by one single owner, or may ownership may be 2 to 3%. And big industries, especially, they are producing large machines, articles, vehicles. Machine activities are in 3 shifts. Power requirements are very large. Separate 22 kV by 11 kV substation or 22. Some of the industries are having 220 kV substations in their premises, like RCF, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bajaj. So these industries are having big inputs they are required in the term of power. They are having own substations, big substations. Okay. The payment of this particular billing, they may have separate tariffs, that is MD tariff. These industries are having large land requirements, so they are away from the city. They may have their own townships in their premises outside the city. They may have independent manufacturing sections, independent manufacturing blocks. They may have single story, multi-story buildings, one or more buildings in their premises as far as these things are concerned. Then they are having separate administrative buildings, they are having separate training buildings, they are having separate research units, then R&D units, manufacturing blocks, stores, medical facilities, treatments. So all these, they may have canteen, they may have other residence provided for the staff, residential section, security department, fire department. So large industries are having large number of sections. They are they are running as per the Labour Act provided by the government. They are providing pleasant atmosphere to the workers as far as the norms are concerned. They are providing all other facilities to the staff and workers as per the government norms. Okay. Especially land workers, supervisors, engineers, power requirement, facilities, Labour Act, residence of facilities, investment, safety provisions, production, all these are concerned. These are all what we can say the part of big industries. Okay, so especially the difference between the small, medium and large industries, we should be able to understand easily. So whenever you are having the picture in front of you, medium industry, small industry and big industry, you should easily identify, or if you have asked, you have to work for the medium industry, then you must have some picture in front of you. If you have asked, do the installation work for small industry, then you must have a picture in front of you. Immediately, if you ask to do electrical installation for big industry, then you must have a picture. So by considering this, some points are there of comparison between these industries. So land space, workers, supervisors, engineers, facility, power requirement, locations, Labour Act, residence, investment, safety norms, safety provisions and production. So these are the parameters considered for the comparison. So in which you are having small industry, so workers are 20 to 40, medium 50 to 150, more than 150. So these are rough figures. So don't be stuck up with, if it is 160, then it is medium, why not it is large? If it is 50, the industry is small, why not it is medium? So these are boundary lines, what we can say, plus or minus 5 to 10% in the parameter we can have, and we have to accept also. Workers, we have supervisors 1 to 2, 2 to 4, more than 2 in each section असं म्हटलं. So multiple supervisors may be. Engineers 1-2 असतील स्मॉल मध्ये, 8-10 असतील medium मध्ये. Large industry you may have multiple, many engineers will be there. Small industry, especially no canteen, no residence facility wise. Medium मध्ये you may have canteen facility. Large मध्ये you may have canteen, lunch, residence, colonies, all these facilities provided. Power requirement up to 30 kilowatt, 1 to 2 megawatt. Much more power required in big industries with separate substation. काही industries power requirement 100 megawatt, 200 megawatt, 500 megawatt is also there. Steel industries, if you have steel industries. Okay. Locations, small industries may be in cities or near to cities. Medium industry may away from city, but big industries are having their own premises outside the city. Separate premises is there over for big industries. Labour Act small industry not applicable. Medium industry it is applicable, but it is more as per rule. As far as the facilities and labor act is concerned in big industry. Locations in near cities we have seen. Residence facility. Residence facility small industry is not providing. To some extent, for some persons in medium industries can provide it. Separate colony that is provided in big industries. For you may have staff colony for big industries. For managers, for supervisors, for engineers, for laborers, you may have different types of quarters provided. Investment, small industry, obviously it is small investment, medium, it is medium investment, large, you may have large scale investment that is provided. Production, normally repairs and maintenance, small articles, etc. in small industries. Medium production, small industries are especially the allied industries, depending on the big and medium industries. Medium industries are also, some industries are allied industries. Some industries are having their own production. Some industries are allied to the big industries. They are providing some finished product to the big industries for assembly. For example, if you consider Tata Engineering and Locomotive work at Pune, Bhosri, Delco, we know. So, Tata Engineering and Locomotive work, which is a big unit in MIDC Bhosri. Then, if you see in that particular area, so in that particular area, there are 2,000 to 3,000 small and medium industries. They are working for Delco. So they are providing small jobs which are needed for assembling the different types of vehicles which are get manufactured. So if you see Tata Engineering and Locomotive unit, nothing they are manufacturing. They are outsourcing all the parts and they are assembling, including engine also. They are assembling it and their production is vehicle production. So what we can have, this is a chain in between small, medium and large industries. In spite of this, some small and some medium industries are also independent. Small industry, suppose manufacturing of candle. The manufacturing of candle may be a small industry. Manufacturing of electrical switch, it is a small industry. You can directly sell it into the market. You need not require to sell to some other industries. Then manufacturing of a transformer, it is a small industry or it is a medium industry. So like this, you may have the examples. Manufacturing of vehicles, petroleum products, manufacturing of the fertilizers, these are the big industries. So these are the examples we have. Small industries, big industries, medium industries. We should easily able to identify the difference, and we must have the picture in front of us. If we say small, then I must have some picture that is in front of me for assumption. If it is a big, I must have some picture. If it is a medium, I must have some picture in front of me. Okay.